I'm gonna show you how to make one of the best KFC chicken bites.
Fatality.
Hey salam, I hope you guys are well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making KFC chicken bites. These chicken bites are gonna have 3 different flavors: spicy barbecue, sweet chili, and Nashville hot. I'm gonna serve the chicken with a creamy mac and cheese. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. Let's start with the chicken. I'm using a chicken breast. First of all, using my hand, I'm gonna remove the tenders. They should come off easily. Now place your hand on the chicken and you wanna cut through the middle. Let the knife do the job and make sure it's sharp. Now again, you want to cut through the middle and slice into bite-sized pieces. Always make sure the chicken is nice and clean, there's no excess fat before you use it. This is exactly what you're looking for, not too small and not too large. Once done, just remove the chicken onto a bowl. Now in that, we're going to mix in some of the hot sauce. Use Tabasco or any of your favorite sauce. Good touch of salt in there. I'm also going to add some of the black pepper in there. Give this a really good mix. Now let the hot sauce do its thing and leave the chicken to brine for a few hours in the fridge. For the sweet chili sauce, in with the water. And with the sugar, mix and completely melt that sugar. Now with the vinegar, with the chili flakes, fresh red chili, garlic, paprika, touch of salt. Give that a mix, and you want to let it simmer for a few minutes.
Excellent.
Now when it starts to simmer, turn the heat to low with a good touch of soy sauce. Now in with this cornstarch. Slowly mix that in. This will thicken the sauce. Now you want to bring this to boil to cook and activate the cornstarch. Once it starts to boil, just turn off the heat. Our flavorful sweet chili sauce done. Let's have a little taste. A bit sweet, a bit spicy. Amazing. For our spicy barbecue sauce, turn up the heat around medium-low. Here with the molasses sugar, some of this brown sugar. Here with the ketchup, use a good quality one. You want to slowly mix and combine the two. Now molasses is what is responsible for the dark brownish color of the barbecue sauce. Now we're gonna flavor with some yellow mustard, a mild type of vinegar, and doesn't have to be too strong. Here with the Worcester sauce. Here with the soy sauce for the umami flavor. Chipotle chili paste. Now we're gonna season it with garlic and onion powder, bird's eye chili, paprika, freshly ground black pepper, and finally a pinch of this sea salt. Now you want to give this a really good mix and bring everything together. And we're gonna let the sauce simmer for a few minutes. This will ensure any rawness of the spices is cooked, and you can always adjust the consistency. Alright, so our sauce is ready. Just turn off the heat. Have a little taste. Our delicious spicy barbecue sauce.
Fatality.
Done. For the Nashville hot, I've got here cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion, freshly cracked black pepper, salt with the MSG, and finally with the dark brown sugar. Now give this a really good mix, and finally we can mix in the hot oil when we are just about to serve. Make sure the oil is not too hot, otherwise the spices will burn. Our mouth-watering Nashville hot glaze done. Have a little taste and adjust anything if you need to. Now for the dredge, in with the plain flour. Let's season in with the black pepper, white pepper as well, in with the celery powder, mustard, garlic and ginger powder, with the smoked paprika, some of this onion powder, oregano, thyme and basil, and finally in with the salt and MSG. Give that a really good mix and set aside. Now in another bowl, crack in 2 eggs with the plain flour and water. Season with salt, a touch of black pepper. Now give that a really good mix and ensure there are no lumps. This is exactly what we're looking for. It's nice and smooth. Set that aside. And finally in another bowl, you will need just the plain flour, touch of salt and black pepper. Mix and set aside. Alright, let's go with the chicken. Grab your seasoned flour batter, some of the plain flour, and your chicken. Remove the chicken from fridge 20 minutes before you start cooking it. Alright, first the chicken will go into the plain flour. We're gonna lightly coat it. Give that a good mix. And now get rid of the excess flour. Just gonna use a sieve to remove all the flour. And now this goes into the batter. Get a good coat of that. And now get rid of the excess batter, and we're gonna start removing it into a seasoned flour. Make sure to shake it as you go along. I'm just gonna give this a really good mix with my hands. Make sure to press onto the flour so it will stick to it. Alright, so that's exactly what we're looking for. Now this goes straight into the hot oil. The oil temperature needs to be around 160 Celsius, and we're gonna maintain that temperature. I'm gonna slowly start lowering our chicken into there, always away from you. Now we're gonna let the chicken cook for around 5 to 6 minutes until we have a nice golden brown color. The internal temperature should reach 75 Celsius. The chicken smells so good. You guys gonna really enjoy this. Alright, so the chicken looks beautiful. we're gonna start removing this. Drain off the excess oil and remove it on a rack. Trust me, these are one of the best chicken bites that you're gonna try. Our crispy chicken bites. Done. One of the best chicken bites that you guys gonna try.
Flawless victory.
Now for our mac and cheese in boiling water, I'm gonna add a good little salt. In with the macaroni pasta. Let this cook for around 10 minutes. Now for this recipe, you don't want it al dente. You want to overcook it slightly. I'm just going to move that to a different heater. Let's prep our sauce. Turn up the heater on low medium. In with the evaporated milk and some of this double cream. Give that a mix and we're going to bring this to simmer. Now while that's coming to simmer, let's add our seasoning. Black pepper, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, garlic, salt and so on. I'm also going to add some of this mustard in there. And some Tabasco. And now we can see that has started to simmer. Now we're going to throw in our cheese. I'm using a mix of cheddar, red Leicester and mozzarella. Some of the pasta water and give that a really good mix. This mac and cheese is going to be so cheesy and so creamy. And it's so easy to make. Or the cheese is beautifully melted. You can just turn off the heat at this point. Have a little taste of the sauce. Now our pasta goes straight in. Touch of black pepper. Light pinch of salt. Now if you guys prefer, you can also mix in some of the butter in there. Give that a really good mix. That looks amazing, but we're not done yet. Here I've got a large ramekin. Add the pasta into the ramekin. Add some of the cheese. And finally some more pasta and some more cheese. Now you can bake this in the oven or microwave on full heat until the cheese is nice and melted. Now you can garnish it with some of the tortilla chips and spring onion greens. Our mouth-watering mac and cheese. Done.
Impressive.
Alright, so this is how we're gonna serve them. Add the chicken pieces, add the barbecue sauce for the first one. It will be best just to drizzle the sauce, don't coat it completely. Sweet chili for the second one. And finally our Nashville hog glaze for the last one. These look amazing. You guys gonna love these chicken bites. They look so much better than KFC's. After you try these chicken bites, you don't need to go KFC. Trust me.
Flawless victory.
Alright, let's play this up with your chicken bites. And finally with our creamy mac and cheese. Finally I'm gonna garnish you with some of the spring onion greens. Our delicious crispy chicken bites with 3 different flavors. Done. Oh, these look so delicious. Look at those.
Flawless victory.
Perfect.
Fatality.
Alright guys, I'm gonna try these. First I'm gonna take a bite of the mac and cheese. It looks so creamy. Bismillah. Wow. This mac and cheese is so tasty. So creamy and so cheesy. Like I said before, you can add different toppings on it. If you want, you can have some of the tortilla chips, some of the extra cheese or even chicken. Bismillah. So out of these 3, can you guess which one is my favorite? Actually, I like all of them. Alright. First, I'm gonna try the spicy barbecue. Look at that. Wow, that flavor is so delicious.
Fatality.
And the chicken has been perfectly cooked, It's amazing. Next, I'm gonna try the Nashville hot. Look at that. Wow. It has a bit of kick to it, but it's well balanced. I really like it. Bismillah. The chicken is still nice and crispy, it's not gone soggy. Let's try the sweet chili flavor. Bismillah. The sweet chili is just on another level, It has so much flavor. Again, you guys gonna love this. Please do me a favor and share this video with your family and friends so they can enjoy as well. Can we please get this video to 5,000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.